Take it the rest. Mighty fight, open the flag. Parade of 100 demons.
Magic World.
My body is Evil Deity of Cataclysm, Hyakugan, Yamigedo.
My body is Ashen Death, Sorcery, Ears Nails. Revive my body.
I'll go first. Bro. Charging down. Call Kazuchi Trooper. Jairin. Upon entry, drop a hand card. If you do top deck to gauge, you'll put 100 demon item. Upon card. The demon item.
No.
And the demon item.
This is why you should not play 100 demons.
Call Dragon Knight Pizarro. Press draw card. Cast Pay 1 life. Evil Deity Sorcery, Vicious Cataclysmic Circle. I will choose the first ability. Put 2 cards with different card names with Yamigeno in its name. 1. And if I put 2 cards, drop a hand card. Cut again.
Stop searching. Again, you should not play 100 demons.
And I put 2 and drop hand.
Go.
Call Adbird Harpy on entry gauge 1.
Thank you.
Cast 100 Demon Sorcery. Death Sacrifice. Destroy 3. Draw 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Call. Body call. Center. Pay 3D. Ability cannot be nullified. And if this card would leave the field, put top 5 cards of deck into the drop zone to prevent this card from leaving the field.
Okay.
Equip. Pay 1. Gauge and pay 2 life. Cannot be destroyed or leave the field by card effects. Can attack even if there's monster in center. And I cannot take damage if there's a size 3 with Hyakugan in its name.
Cannot take damage.
Yes, cannot take damage.
Not to buy card effects, but damage.
Damage, yes.
So even attack all won't push.
Yes.
Okay.
Set. Okay. Entering battle phase. Attack you for 2.
Oh.
Double attack. Turn in.
turn end. My turn, draw. Charge and draw. Cast, nice one. Pay 1 damage. Draw 2 cards. I will set Infection Hazard. I will also set Great Spell Circle Reservoir. Go. Okay. 12. Decay Ashen Death, Great Sorcery, Urshinias. Pay 2 gauge and put the top card of your deck into its hole. When this card enters the field, put up to 1 plague item from your deck into your hand and shuffle your deck. It's the book.
Okay. Cut.
I equip Scholarly Tome of Death and Anatomy. Pay 1 life. I will choose a plague spell from your drop zone and you may rest this card. If you do, put the chosen card into this card's hole and gain 1 life. Cast Great Spell, Incubation Period. Choose a card on the field, look at the top 2 cards of your deck, put up to 2 plague spell from among them to the chosen card's hole, and put the rest into the drop zone. Ability: when you cast a spell, a plague spell, you gain 2 life. And put up to 1 plague spell from your drop zone into the soul of a plague item on your field. Then ability: when you cast a spell, choose up to 1 plague monster or item on your field and drop the top card of your deck. If it's a plague spell, you put that card into the chosen. It's not. Great Spell Reservoir: when you cast a spell, put the top card of your deck into the gauge. Power defense minus 2000, critical minus 1. Okay. Cast Godspeed Learning. Put the top card of your deck into the gauge and draw a card. Gain 2 life.
Spells 4.
4.
I think that's it.
How many defense?
Minus 3,000. So 2,000.
2,000. Attack you.
Penetrate. No damage.
No
I
damage.
will prevent from leaving. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5. Double attack.
1, 2, 3.
Enter.
Enter. Draw. Charge and draw. Use ability. Pay 1 gauge. For this turn, all size 2 or less 100 demons on left and right become size 0. Call to the left. Pay 1 life. Mikazuchi Rebellious. When this card enters the field, if 100 demons is on my field, tap deck to gauge. And draw card. Call. Jail Liberator. Be free. When I have a size 3, 100 demons, this becomes size 0. And if this is in the field, all field or on the soul, all 100 demons get power plus 5,000 and penetrate. Okay. Entering battle phase.
No.
Defense check.
5,000.
5,000 defense. This one is 10,000. Attack. Center.
Counter. Infector. Just a card on the field. Cannot be destroyed by your opponent's card effect.
Okay.
And what? Put this card into the soul of an item on your field.
Okay. Cast spell.
When I cast a spell, gain 2 life. And put a spell from your drop zone into the soul. Infection hazard, plague spell, reservoir, minus 2,000.
Who? Minus 3. 3? 2.
2.
And 1 crit. Okay. No more crit.
And so, attack. How many crit?
Penetrate for 2.
2.
When you are dealt damage by card effects. Charge and draw.
Once per turn.
Yes, once per 2.
Okay, go.
And I gain 1 life. Attack for 2. Penetrate for 2.
1, 2. Double attack.
Double attack. Attack for 2.
Double attack.
Yes. Double attack. Yeah.
Down to 4. 0.
Oh yes, 0. Wait. Wait, you cast a spell. So you get ping 1. Once a turn.
Oh, where's my 3?
I forgot also. And
And I survive with 3 life.
no more. Becomes end turn,
Yeah.
so no
It
more.
goes back. Alright. My turn.
Yes.
Draw. Charge and draw.
Start of turn.
Start of turn. Wait. The beginning of your turn. 3 souls. Draw a card. Wait. Beginning of your soul, you gain 1 life. Beginning of your turn, you may put
from the
a
drop.
plague from the drop. Any plague, right?
Yes.
And then you cannot be dealt damage. Deal 1. So check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew. Okay. Call to the center. Cannot read. Ashen Death Sorcery Shenan's Revival Body Call.
Pay 3.
Pay 3 gauge. And put
Yeah, I can't use the gauge.
the gauge. Can't use the gauge, right?
Oh, yes.
So I'll just put 3 more sub, but I don't have any more. I can cast Planes.
Spells.
I cannot also. Alright. Cast Great Spell, Godspeed Learning. Put the top card of your deck into the cage and draw a card. Gain 2 life. It's a spell. Soul. Reservoir. And I will use the Overkill.
Will you minus?
Minus. This one.
Go.
1 Overkill.
Yes.
Put choose a plague on your field. This one. Put the top 3. Put up to 3 plague spells from your deck into the chosen card soul. How many gauge does it need? Wait,
6.
6, right?
Yes.
6. Yeah, I'll just make sure. Where's Stephanie on the tower? Alright, first I'll cast and from the soul Mycotoxin. Put the top card of your deck into the
2
gauge
cards.
and gain 2 life. And this card, yeah. And then cast Ultimate Great Spell World Pandemic.
Wait, I will counter.
Nice.
No, the convulsion. Return all cards from hand, gauge, and drop zone to the deck. And then draw 6 cards, put up 2 cards, and your life becomes 10.
Your life becomes 10.
But,
It's a
nothing.
reset.
yes, but it's nothing. Just so you would kill me longer.
Sounds annoying.
Top 6. I draw 6. 1, 2, 3.
I won't return.
Okay. Gauge 2. Go.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Bye. And yeah,
Ah,
I guess
yeah, flip the flag.
flip the flag. I'll just need additional power. Put
From
up
drop.
to one. Right. Battle phase.
Go.
2. Double attack. Triple attack. 1.
Down to 3.
And I end my turn.
My turn. Draw. Wait.
Wait.
Start of turn.
Start of turn. Draw a card.
Deal 1.
Deal 1. Put 1 to my gauge.
From the drop.
From the drop.
Put 1 plague.
Deal 1. Gain 1 life. Yeah. Two.